Hi, welcome to Marion's channel. I'm Marion's father. Okay, first I'm going to start by showing y'all two pencils, a brown one and a black one. I'm going to take the black one and make my eyelashes thicker. Okay, we decided to use the brown one. I'm going to trace the edges with the brown one. I'm going to take my finger and now smooth it. Go over it a little bit more with the black one. I can't forget that left eyebrow. Now I'm going to paint it with a little brown around the edge. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, and back to the right one. Okay, I'm going to fill in with the black. You got to fill in with the black. Now I'm going to go around the edge. And this makes a perfectly good square drawn on eyebrow. Okay, all right. And don't forget, hashtag Marion@least. Marion.@least, that is. Or is that Instagram? Well, anyway, it's one of them. Now I'm going to get this brush shaped like an L. Then I'm going to get this liquid stuff. It's upside down. It says something. Whoa. And this is called a lightener, I guess, because it is really lightening up around the eyes. Okay. This might be a concealer. I think that's what they call it. Yeah. But anyway, I'm going to put the concealer right there above the eye. Almost favors a Band-Aid. Alright, and I'm going to go across the top. And what this does is make that eyebrow really pop. Okay, look, see how it stands out like that? Beautiful. Alright, and I'm going to rub a little bit more. And oh, now I just painted over my eyeball. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the top. And I'm going to go to that other side over there. Ain't no sense in doing one. So I'm going to follow the same process that I did earlier. I'm going to blend this in. Now I am going to take some kind of a brush here. And I'm going to draw. Have to really be careful not to poke that out. And draw. And now I'm going to the top. And once again, this makes that eyebrow pop. All right. Look at there. Wow. Beautiful. Look at me. Alright. Anyway, this adds contour. Makes that eyebrow actually really jumps out there and go wow. Anyway, it's out there. There you go. And I'm going to paint a little bit more. And a little bit more. Now I'm going to blend over my eye. And now I have, we get to the other side. I'm taking out one of my brushes here. This is evidently my favorite brush because I'm using it a lot. And I'm going to blend around the nose, around the eye. And I'm going to blend on top of the eyebrow. And I'm going to blend the edge. And as you can see, that eyebrow is really getting defined. Look at there. Whoa. Now I'm going to blend in the middle there. Then I'm going back to the other eye. And I'm going to brush. Once again, this is one of my favorite brushes I like to use. It's a good blending brush. And I'm going to go up to the top here and just keep on blending until I get to the hairline. And I'll play with my hair for a little bit to give my arm a break. Alright, now these are my eyelashes. Eyelashes. There you go. I'm going to put them on and they're on. Just that easy. Simple touch eyelashes. There you go. Gotta get them straight. You do not want your eyebrow crooked. It makes it look like you're upset. Alright, I'm going to take this right here, egg-looking carrot, sweet potato sponge. I didn't do nothing with it. I just wanted to show y'all, but I'm going to put on my eyelash, my other eyelash. See, this is what I'm talking about. You want to put it on real good. There it is. Almost done. Tease my hair a little bit. Smile. Alright, now I'm going to use E.L.F. Okay. Or maybe that was E.L.F. It had dots in the middle. But I'm going to put this right here on my cheek. And I'm going to rub it in like so. I always like using my hand because I don't want to mess up all my brushes. Alright. And I'm rubbing here. And if you notice, it's all blending in with the top of my eyebrow, my head. Now I'm going to use a Revlon 440. That's my color. A little squirt there. little squirt there, little squirt on the chin, squirt up there. Now I'm looking like an Indian, and I'm gonna brush it in. Wow, this is a lot of work. All right, and I'm going on the chin, and I'm going on the cheek. Once again, this is another one of my favorite brushes. I'm going to dab, dab, dab. When you dab, this keeps the smearing down, and it gives you an even complex all around. Okay, I'm going to go around the nose, around the eye, and on the other eye, around the nose, around the chin. Do not forget to get the chin, because you do not want your chin a different color from the rest of your face. All right, now we're going up to the forehead to blend in around the eyebrows, and you can see they are really starting to pop. There it is. Look at that. Wow. Look how far we came. There you go. I'm going to blend again. Be careful not to get your eye. Oh, yeah. I'm getting it. It's about done here. Look at that. Wow. Fascinating. Look how that blends. Look how that blends. It makes the eyebrow pop, and it even makes my smile pretty. All right. I'm going to rub in there. I'm going to rub it in there in the chin. I'm dabbing to make sure I don't miss a spot. Now I'm going to use another secret weapon. And this is going to be more makeup on top of my makeup. Okay. This is to cover the blemishes and the dark spots, I'm thinking. But I'm going to draw some little squiggly African lines right there. And I am going to draw a light color mustache. Okie dokie. And a goatee. Smile. But all this is going to go away because guess what? Oh, here's my magical sponge. The sweet potato. Alright. We're going to blend, blend, blend. Be sure not to rub. Because when you rub, you get an uneven balance. So we're going to blend, blend. Look at there. See how that is? Oh, around the eye. Always get around the eye. You don't want to look like a raccoon. So get around the eye. I'm getting around the eye. And I'm going to go easily across to the other side. And we're going to do the same thing on this side that we did on the other side. Wow. It's a lot of work to look beautiful. But anyway, we're going to go around the nose here. Still using my favorite sponge. Taking my time not to look my eyelash off. Okay. Alright. And we're going to go across the top. Make that mustache disappear. There we go. And wow. Voila. But I did not forget my chin or my forehead. Just finished. There we go. Now I'm going to my chin. And I am in my chin. And I am blending it in. I am blending it in. Wow. Just remember how it used to look. And now take a look. Alright. Now I'm going to dab my forehead. Just dab. Remember, do not smear. Do not rub. And there you have it. And see how you make that eyebrow just pop. It looks 3D. Alright, now I'm going to come back with a powder that in a jar with a black top. And we're going to dab a little bit of that on. It's called Black Opal Setting Powder. That's right, powder. Medium. It's medium. Alright, look at there. I'm going to powder. And this powder keeps that makeup from shining. You don't want to be shiny. Nobody wants to be shiny on a hot summer day. Alright, now we're going to put a little powder there and on the chin. And we're going to just dab. Remember, do not use it as a towel like you're wiping your face in the bathroom. You're going to dab. You're just going to dab. Dab with it. D-A-B. Dab. Okay, I'm going to dab a little bit on the forehead. If you notice, your forehead is one of the most shiniest areas in the summertime because it gets so hot and it has so much oil in the skin. But we're going to put a little powder around there. Put a little bit more powder. Oh, look at that. I'm smiling. I'm smiling. I'm smiling. And I'm spongy. Round like cheese. There it is. Oh, what a great job I did. And now for the use, I don't know, the fish face makeup. I am making this face to get all the creases. And now I'm going around the chin. This gives me tone and texture. Makes that chin pop. Gives you a strong chin and cheekbone for smiling. And I'm going to go around my forehead. And I'm going to go around the chin. I'm going to blend. This is another one of my favorite brushes. Okay. Now I'm going to finish with my fancy dancy shiny jelly lip gloss. See? Cheese, looks like jelly. Then I'm going to come back with some kind of spray. Woo! This is the refreshing because it's hot in here. Yes, I'm hot. I'm hot. I'm fanning. I'm fanning. I'm fanning. I'm done. Tease. And there it is. And that's what it takes to get your beauty on. Yep. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. 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 Bye.
Daddy.